Good Monday afternoon, guys. It's Peter, the local mason. Let me see if I can show you. This is a fourth short video. I just cleaned all the sludge from inside, so the water bed, it's nice and clean. Seems like the pipe, the pump is broken, or there is no electric coming in it, so electrician has to test that. So now I'm going to fix actually these cracks, cemented crack sealer. It's gonna be definitely visible, but it's gonna be different color. But we decided to paint it in the end with masonry paint, waterproofing paint, so it's gonna look beautiful. This seams, I have to clean. These flower beds has to go back. I have to chisel out the losing cement, put them back, cement it back with white glass cement I bought for it. Hopefully will come up good.